Bula, and welcome to this segment where we look at soil conservation and erosion control. A lot of pineapple farming is done on the steeper slopes of the hills. This causes a lot of erosion and loss of high-value topsoil, resulting in poor crop performance and low yield. This can be controlled by planting on the contour and the construction of downslope drains. This can be done with the help of a simple A-frame. As you can see, it is rather simple to make an A-frame from 3 pieces of 2x1 timber. Ensure both legs are the same length and the horizontal bar is the same height. Mark exact middle of the horizontal bar. Fix a plumb line with weight on the top joint of the A-frame. This A-frame can be used for surveying downslope drains and other constructions that need leveling. Do a contour survey on sloping land starting from the higher end of the slope. To start a contour line, use the A-frame to mark level points along the line, marking each point with a peg. Survey a second contour line about 10 meters lower. It is best that the contour survey is done on cleared land which is not yet plowed. After the contour lines are marked, prepare the contour beds with either blocks or two-wheel tractor. Prepare a planting bed along the first contour line and mark the second contour line 1.5 meters below the first contour line and prepare another planting bed. The same bed preparation can be done with a bullock and plow. One of the more successful and simple cropping systems to reduce soil erosion on the steeper slopes is the use of alley cropping. With this system, we can plant pineapple on 3 of the prepared beds and plant 2 lines of erosion-protected deep-rooted plants like vetiver grass and gliricidia, one above and one below the 3 beds with pineapple. This way, the risk of gully erosion or landsliding is reduced. The water collected during rain above the contour beds has to be carefully directed down the slope. Otherwise, the cure of planting along the contour lines will cause more harm through large concentrate and uncontrolled water runoff, resulting in even more erosion damage than before. To avoid this catastrophe, we have to prepare a well-protected and guide down slope flow of the runoff rainwater. This is why we construct down the slope a stepwise downslope drain with stepwise drop structures or steeling basins. To make this, firstly, dig a steep drop and level out the drain along the slope. Secondly, support the side walls with sticks or waste timber. Thirdly, fill the base of the drop with a layer of stones to break the water force. And lastly, fill the space between the mud wall and the timber with grass. The effect of uncontrolled cropping on sloping land will be the formation of large gullies and deep cutout roads. Note the depth of the gully-formed road, which previously was filled with fertile soil. This starts with the formation of small gullies in new planted fields. The use of A-frame helps in the proper layout of contour on the slope. It also indicates the right spot for the construction of downslope drains. Here we can see the effect of earlier constructed drop structure compared with the drain and gully formation on slopes without drop structures. Walking an extra mile to follow the proper advice by doing will greatly reduce erosion on slope land.